I promise you, by the end of this video, you're gonna become better at AI prompting. Not only at AI prompting, but also understand what it takes to give AI consistent outputs and good reports, good research, and good answers for you, and good overviews of whatever you're trying to, get something output of from an AI. So it doesn't matter what it is, you're going to get a consistent answers if you understand this. Now, what we're going to talk about is JSON formats, because millions of AI trained data, it's in a JSON file. So it's better to understand what is the structure of the prompt which you need to give for AI to output efficiently. So let's talk about this. Of course, there are some experts and information experts put some effort into this. So I'm going to go through this one of the tweets which are found from AI experts. Now, those AI apps that always works, right? They all use JSON prompts. So here's exactly how to write JSON prompts with code, screenshots, and real life examples. Now I'm gonna go through this Twitter and explain it to you step by step so that you become better and you do not waste time. Now, what is JSON? JSON is nothing but JavaScript object notation. Now, it's just the data with labels. It is a very structured format. Think of it like from where every field has a name. Like, it's very data oriented, structure oriented. And why it works, you can ask me. It's because LLMs are trained on millions of JSON files, as I said, from APIs and code. Even, passing the data through APIs, it's in a JSON format, right? So JSON format is lightweight and it's very fast in order to, get all the structure output and every single thing, okay, to understand. It is very easily understandable. Just think about this, right? Now, here's an example which you can try and experiment with. First, ask ChatGPT, list 3 benefits of exercise. So first, what you want to do is first ask ChatGPT, list 3 benefits of exercise, and you'll get a different formats each time: paragraphs, bullets, number lists, whatever, even the overviews, detailed overviews. Then try the JSON version and notice how you get the same structure response most of the time. Now, here's one of the examples in a JSON format, which is the task. You put a column. Now, of course, many of you don't know what the JSON format is. My bad. So it's a structured, input, structured information inside the columns, right? It's similar to code format, and then you give the left side. The left side is going to be the variable, and the right side is going to be the value. Now, in this case, the variables are task, topic, count, and format. The values are the corresponding associated with the variable, right? So yeah, so task is a variable and list benefits is a value. So here's what we are trying to say to the AI is the task is to list benefits. The topic is the exercise. The count is 3. The format is array. Now, in this, the AI only reads the JSON and follows exactly what it has given, what the values are, right? And then you see regular prompts give you unpredictable formats. You spend hours parsing, cleaning, fixing edge cases. Now, I can think of many different examples. So let's just say I give an AI to write SEO optimized articles on a topic, dog foods, right? And then it goes on lists every single thing, the information which I don't even necessary. But if you give it in a JSON format, which is a variable associated with a value, exactly what you need. So here's one of the example which you can, which is displayed on a screen, which is list 3 benefits of exercise, and it's gonna go through every single thing, right? Now here's the JSON format version. Now it's going to give the JSON format version, and it's very instant, right? So you can see the difference between the output. You can compare. You'll exactly get what you need from the AI. You can sometimes override it. I mean, it's better not to override it, but yeah, this is just the job. Basically, JSON anatomy is this simple, which is keys equals to labels, which is what I explained, variables, and then associated values, and then values, okay, container, which is flower brackets, and then container for list, and then comma for separations, right? So that's literally it. If you have a coding background, then it's easy for you. You already know what the JSON format is, but if you're not, you can look up from Geeks for Geeks. And I want to highlight why JSON is really, really good. JSON prompting is really, really good. Now here, this guy Alex explained each level represents a different level of thinking. Projects contain phases, and phases contain tasks, and tasks contain details. It's like giving the LLM an outline to fill in. But so all credits to Alex Weckhoff from Twitter. And this is the JSON prompting, which you can become better at getting the efficient outputs. With that said, catch you on the next one.